So you've gotten to a point in life where you're so ready for freedom and abundance, and you're now looking for ways to start an online business that can serve you and your customers 24/7, 365 days a year, right? That's why you're here, and this channel is dedicated to you. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on everything online business. This video is about how you can get into high-ticket affiliate marketing as soon as possible without any prior knowledge. No website, no blog, no background checks, no waiting for approval, not even a defined niche or target audience. Instead, you're going to learn about funnels, business models, about creating email lists, and you're actually going to get the support to set up that website of your own and to start generating leads that turn into customers that get you a commission on every sale. A quick video before running off to the library. Yes, I do read, and I read fantasy books. Do you read? So we have partnered with the best high-ticket affiliate marketing training program there is online right now. So while you learn marketing, which is basically the key to anyone selling online, right? How to sell online. So while you're learning marketing, you can also be an affiliate, earning commissions between $400 and up to $4,000 when joining the Ambassador program. The smartest and fastest way to get started online is to become an affiliate marketer, and you want to look for high ticket commissions. And with the Launch You program, you get just that. While learning digital marketing, defining a niche in a market, finding a target audience based on your true passions and competences. While learning that, you can also earn. So earn while you learn is the perfect setup for you. And becoming an affiliate is the easiest way to get into the online space at this point. This means that you don't have to develop any own products. You don't have to go out sourcing, you don't have to go out looking. You just have to find programs that are suitable for you to market to your audience. As an affiliate, you will be posting links to products and services that you love and like yourself to your audience. And like I said, you don't need any prior knowledge, and you don't need to even have an influence yet. You're going to learn all of that in our program. Even writing ads and ad copy. So you're going to be developing different competencies and skills over time that are really, really useful for you in your online business. Just imagining you working from anywhere in the world. Isn't that fantastic? So in our program, you'll be shown step by step how to take action, how to define your market, how to find your audience, how to find the real need of your audience. You know, the demand and the problem and the need for solutions that you can provide to them. And then you're going to shape your marketing message so that it targets, pinpoints perfectly to that audience, which makes them your fans. You're going to generate leads that can become customers, and you're going to learn everything about online business, authority marketing, business funnels, business models, and you're going to learn how to master online ads. So let's escape rain, darkness, depression, and be able to travel the world at our leisure. Being an affiliate, you don't have to worry at all, because the company that you partner with will take care of everything, delivering products and services, customer care, payments, and just paying you commissions for every sale that you generate. It's basically worry-free. Our library here is closing in just a little bit, so I've got to run, but I'll see you in the workshops. Click the link and start learning.